Hello and welcome to my online tutorial channel. This is Amitabh Chaudhary. Today I am going to discuss basic concepts of class and objects and how to implement classes and objects using Python. So before going to start what is to implement a class, first we have to understand what is class actually. A class is a blueprint for creating an object. Now, how to declare a class? There is a keyword named class in Python. Then you have to write a class name. Say my class is the class name in this case. Always remember the first letter of the particular class is capital. Here M is capital. And then suppose you declare a variable inside this class x equal to say 20. Now, if you want to access or print the value of x from outside this my class, will it possible? So answer is no. Let's check. If I print x here, will it execute? The answer is no. Why? Because x is a variable within this class. So if I try to access x from outside this particular class, the x is not defined, so undefined error is there. So how to access the member from this particular class? So to do that we need to create an instance. So how to create an instance? So suppose the instance name is my instance equal to the class name. What is the class name? Is the my class name. My class is the class name. So this is how we create an instance. So if you write my instance dot x, you can get the value. Okay. Now there is another way to create this instance and create an empty class. So let's check how to create an empty class. For example, I create another class, say name my class. The class name again, say my class. Okay. Now within this my class, I create. I do not want to write anything inside this my class. That means I want to create a simply empty class. So we need to use pass keyword here. Okay. Then once you write the pass, that means this is an empty class only. So if you want to create an instance, so I want to create an instance, say my instance once again dot my instance equal to say my class. What is going to be happen now? Sorry, my class. And so this instance is created of my class. Now if you write say my class dot first name equal to say Amit, and my class dot last name say equal to Chaudhary. What is going to be happen? So how I access this class, this instance? So here it is not my class, actually it is my instance. In both the cases it's my instance. And then you have to write print my instance dot first name and print my instance dot last name. So will it work? Yes, it is. But these two are in different line. So how to how to combine these two? So here I have to write end equal to. Okay, now it's good. So this is how we can create classes and objects. So this is all about my first lecture. Thanks for listening.